Welcome to 235 Deloraine Avenue. Conveniently located in the charming Bedford Park neighborhood, this property provides easy access to the 401 and the Young subway line, as well as restaurants, schools, shopping, and more. This beautiful 4-bedroom modern home pairs stunning 3-pattern stonework with high-quality composite aluminum panels, framing enormous front and rear windows, and 6 skylights to flood this home with natural light. This fully integrated smart home features smart lights throughout, as well as a premium audio system on 3 floors. Wake up in total serenity with the stunning view of this home's natural surroundings from the massive windows in the master bedroom and ensuite. Beautiful imported Italian stone and modern fixtures complement the large floating dual vanity and oversized mirror in the ensuite. Select your outfits in natural light thanks to the skylight in the spacious master walk-in closet. 9.5-foot ceilings and 8-foot solid wood modern doors provide ample soundproofing and luxury throughout. The shared washroom features another skylight, a 2-piece bath, and a large floating vanity. The large guest room at the front of the home offers privacy for your guests with its ensuite washroom, featuring a skylight and an oversized stand-up shower with rain head, hand wash, and body jets. Another large walk-in closet completes the guest bedroom. Full-size stacked laundry units with storage offer unparalleled convenience. Enjoy a late evening soak in the modern freestanding tub in the master ensuite with a beautiful private view. Fully programmable smart lights throughout the home allow you to toggle any combination of lights at the touch of a button. Transition between floors with the stunning single-stringer modern floating staircase with glass railings. Entertain in style with floor-to-ceiling windows and beautiful imported Italian stonework with edge lighting surrounding the gas fireplace in the living room. Enjoy absolute luxury in this state-of-the-art kitchen that features imported Italian backsplash and countertops. Top-of-the-line touch-to-open Wi-Fi appliances from Thermador complete a truly seamless look throughout. Easily start up your Smart Peninsula gas fireplace at the touch of a button and bring warmth and comfort to this relaxing family room, which features matching built-in wall unit, glass wine cellar, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a massive sliding glass door, which opens to a large 2-level deck and truly ties this home to nature. The smart home audio system consists of 14 high-fidelity speakers throughout the home that can easily be controlled with any smartphone or tablet. Easily monitor your 4 smart home security cameras on any device, including your TV, and feel safe round the clock. Heated floors in the master ensuite offer comfort even on the coldest of winter days. Paired with a steam-equipped, oversized shower with rain head, body jets, and hand wand, you're guaranteed to start every day off just right. Heated floors throughout the basement, which hosts another floor-to-ceiling walkout patio and built-in wall unit with gas fireplace. This smart home is wired for internet, TV, audio, and security throughout, including a Wi-Fi range extender to ensure signal at every corner. Separate entrance nanny room and 3-piece washroom in the basement offer live-in accommodation for family, friends, or help, and include another full-size laundry room with granite countertop and sink. Leave your home with peace of mind thanks to the fully integrated home security system. Touchpad entry and exit offer keyless entry and round out the smart home features for this stunning property. Situated on an extra-deep 150-foot lot, the backyard of this property offers endless possibilities, including the option for a full-size swimming pool with full privacy thanks to the cedar hedge and numerous trees. Make this one-of-a-kind property your own. Visit 235deloraine.com for details and call your realtor for a showing today.